This DeWalt 27 gal portable vertical air compressor with 200 max PSI provides 83% more air tool runtime compared to similar 200 PSI compressors in the market. The oil-free motor means no maintenance and less noise. It provides 5.1 CFM at 90 PSI for plenty of power. The 200 PSI air compressor can handle normal automotive maintenance repairs, spray painting, and other large projects. It is also compact enough to be taken to job sites and in the home for trim and framework. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. DeWalt 27 gal 200 PSI portable air compressor. Experience an increased project efficiency. Number 2. DeWalt is a household name and is renowned for its durability and reliability. The vertical air compressor with 200 max PSI is designed with an oil-free motor, making it easier for you as it is equal to no maintenance and less noise. Number 3. Tasks at home become simple. As this air compressor by DeWalt provides 5.1 CFM at 90 PSI for plenty of power, it can handle normal automotive maintenance repairs, spray painting, and other large projects without any hassle. It is also super compact and portable enough to be taken to job sites and in the home for various DIY tasks. Number 4. Robust and convenient. The 27 gal 200 PSI portable air compressor is designed with a low-volt easy-start motor that operates with extension cords of sufficient lengths. The high-flow regulator and couplers provide max airflow to your tool to operate at their peak performance. Number 5. 5.1 SCFM at 90 PSI provides faster recovery times resulting in increased project efficiency. Number 6. 6.8 SCFM at 40 PSI provides the ability to operate an HVLP spray gun. Number 7. 78 dBA brings less noise to your work environment and is 30% quieter than similar oil-free induction products. Number 8. Low-volt easy start motor will operate with extension cords of at least 12 gals and 50 feet, or less. Number 9. High-flow regulators and couplers provide max airflow to your tool to operate at their peak performance. Number 10. The robust dual-purpose handle provides additional protection to the compressor along with serving as a hose wrap. Number 11. 2-in gauges allow for an easy-to-read surface. Number 12. This unit ships small parcel, UPS or FedEx. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. How much HP power? Answer. This is a 1.7 running horsepower unit. Question number 2. Does anybody know the air coupler type? Answer. 1/4 universal quick coupler. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.